Hey guys, before recording this video, I made a calculator in Python 3 and I will be showing you how it all works. Okay, I'm using trinket.io, but you can use whatever you want. Well, actually you don't even need to follow along because there's nothing much of following since I already made the code. Or you can pause the video and just make the code yourself. Actually, I'll put the code in the description so then you guys don't have to type all this out. Okay. So let's run this first, and then I'll explain it. Okay, so it's saying it's asking us what operator you want to use, and let's just fix this and say what operator instead of just saying one for and then what operator would you like to use? Okay. Let's just run this again. Sorry, guys. Okay, what operator would you like to use? 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for division, and 4 for multiplication. Okay. I want to use multiplication. Enter a number, so let's just do something simple that we can memorize so we know it's right. 9 times 7, 63. Perfect, that's working. Let's just do another thing just to make sure it's working. Okay, let's say, I don't know, 81 divided by 9. Oh no. When I was supposed to put the operation, I put 81, so let's just run that again. Okay, I want to use division. Let's do something different. Let's do something with decimals. Let's do something big. Okay, and we see it works. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to go through how the code all works. I'm expecting you to know basic functions and basic programming concepts. Okay, so we want to prompt the user for input as an integer. So we wrap int around the input, and then we put this as what we want to say before prompting the user for input, which shows up here. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is you want to prompt the user for 2 different numbers to perform operations on, to do stuff with. And then after that, you want to have 4 conditional statements saying if operation is equal to, and then each operation has a number assigned to it, and if the number assigned to a certain operation, the user entered that number, then use that operation, and then it just does that for everything, and it prints the result. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're staying safe, and I will see you in the next video.